Obwe koti y'emushango emahango ekurirwe Justice Isaac Muwata erikugenda omu maisho n'okuhurikiriza obujulizi butari bumwe na bumwe aha mushango gwa More Katanga orikugambwa kuba yisiriiba izooba eri Director wa Forensic Science of the Uganda Police Mubiru Andrew niwe yiija omu kooti okuhayo bimwe aha bintu ebijwirwe bitu ba lawyer ba More Katanga ababanza kwanga kumuhurikiriza aha kugira ngu ebi yaba nashoma byaba bitarikukwatagana n'ebyo ebyabahirwe omuramuzi nikwo kushaba kooti kubahumuzamu edakiika 30.
Sorry to take us back, but this is the very issue we had with this particular witness. My Lord, you recall that we actually made an application to disclose information from him. I think coming here, and even the very information he gave us is incomplete, is a problem. I think, my Lord, the best way to proceed is if this witness can be given our disclosure request and is able to supply us with all the documents before he continues with his evidence.
Na bwanyuma oguyikirizibwa kuherezayo bimwe aha bintu ebishangirwe omu kishengye aho omugenzi Henry Katanga yaferire kandi bashange mundu y'ekika kya Vastava CZ99 compact serial number UG 16222000 na magazine y'amasasi eri aha kitanda enkoni batun neshagama eyashangirwe omu bicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe n'omu kinabiro balcony n'ahandi.
My Lord, is exhibit mark 16.
Ekindi ne exhibit 16.
This is a blood swab from the wall
neshagama aha kishengye nashaha kishengye
to the changing and bathrooms
ebi bashangire omu kishengye ahi bakuhindurira na n'omu kinabiro
inside the master bedroom.
Ogu yagira ngu bakakire ebintu ebi kandi bashabwa kukora okukyondoza kureba ngu bagira ekyo babona ekyo kweyambisibwa omu kooti na munonga aha DNA y'eshagama.
This exhibit is marked K. This was described as a buccal swab from Kakwenza Patricia.
Is marked what?
Marked K. Buccal swab from Kakwenza Patricia.
What?
Mouth swab.
Buccal swab.
Onogu nabo yajangu bwanyuma y'okukora za DNA zirukumara obwo barikweyambisa ebyoma bya kanyabwenje okuhayo a report eki aha Jinja Road Police Station owa OCCID aha 30 by'okwakana 2024 ogwikiriza ngu yakozire report eki kandi bakakora za DNA abantu batari bamwe na bamwe okwetegereza ekishikire n'okuronda amazima. Omuramuzi nikwe kushaba omushango kugarukamu izooba lya nyenkyakare kandi obwo ebyona byaba nibigenda omu maisho More Katanga arikubireeba kuruga omu kihome ruzira aharindirwe gashakwa Jimmy Muhumuza.